It's my CASIO A168 after 5 years of service. It's time for a review. So over 5 years, I have worn it quite a bit, not every day, but you can see that there is some wear and tear, some little scratches, bits of grime here and there in the watch, but it has held up very, very well, I would say, and especially for the price paid, as everyone who reviews the watch says, you can't beat it for value for money, and hey, if you needed a watch to last you 5 years without any issues at all, then of course I can recommend this watch. By the way, the instruction manual says that you should get about 7 years of battery life, so things are still going really well. I've made plenty of use of the basic functions over the years with the alarm, the hourly signal, the stopwatch, and it's been plenty accurate within 30 seconds a month, I would say for sure. Okay, so I've encountered one problem, the electroluminescent backlight, the top left button there, that's not working right now, so although it's keeping time, I do want to change the battery. Alright, let me just show you how some stuff works. So hitting the top left lets us start to edit something, the bottom right lets us adjust that number, and top left again moves you on until it saves. Right now the bottom right is letting us have hourly signal and alarm, nothing, just alarm, just the hourly signal, and both. Alright, let's go play with the stopwatch for a minute. So the bottom right gets it started, and the bottom right will pause it, and the bottom right will start it again, and then the top left will let us do a split, and we're back. Bottom right to pause, top left to reset. Okay, so finally, just going through to set the time, we hit the bottom left, the mode button, until we encounter the flashing seconds, hours, and minutes. As before, we're adjusting what we want to change with the top left and making changes with the bottom right. We get through the months, days, and date. We're back here. You might like to precisely lock in the seconds by hitting the bottom right there. Puts it back to 0, bottom left to save. So yes, after 5 years of owning the A168, I'm a big fan of how it looks, feels, and works.